I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
But this is our home for the next 7 nights.
Yeah.
We're in Hallin. Hi guys, I'm Emma.
Hey guys, I'm John, and we're Emma and John. You're welcome.
Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new then hello.
Welcome.
Today we're at Flusco Wood Lodge Resort.
We just checked in. Yeah.
So we're staying in an Askham Premier.
We are, yes.
Our one is named Hallin.
Yep.
We're the second one in, but I can show you a map if you want. But we thought we would do a little lodge tour.
Absolutely, why not?
We're starting outside, so I don't want to show you my registration. So you can park just there and then come up the steps, and you've got a little gated area, which is great because we've got Louis with us.
Yep.
So then you've got this little bit of
Decking
and a hot tub just down there that Louis is exploring for some reason. Yeah, and then you can go in through the front door. Oh, so in case you're interested in the type of lodge it is, it's a Monaco Duo 40. So
2-bedroom lodge.
2-bedroom. So you step in, and I guess we'll start here. This is the boiler room, so that's where we're in.
That's the boiler and cleaning stuff and whatever else.
Yeah. Cool. And then you've got this little sink area with like drawers and stuff underneath.
What's really handy.
Yeah, for like grabbing water and washing the dog and stuff.
Yeah.
And another little cupboard just here. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because of that mess there. Look at it. And then we head into the main area. So this is the kitchen space.
Yeah, we've got everything you need. Plates and cutlery and
that
all
wasn't where the
sorts.
cutlery was, but yeah.
Chopping boards and
Lots of bits. And a few bits of tea and coffee as well, because they've got I assume a coffee maker.
Yep.
Just there.
Just there.
So yeah, some
Full size oven. What's really cool.
wine rack.
Really.
Over this side we've got the sink, some more cupboards,
So many cupboards.
and a fridge that will make
Have we got a speaker?
a speaker.
That's cool.
A huge fridge freezer,
Yep.
which is great.
More cupboards.
More cupboards.
Load of
A
cupboards.
table
Yep.
inside. This is the living area, which is so nice. It comes with a smart TV. We have sat on these sofas, very comfortable.
They are. My favourite cow.
Yeah, a Highland cow. And then the outside.
We got a decking with table and chairs.
Yeah, so we're planning on having a little barbecue out here. You can have a barbecue as long as it's not on the table or on the floor.
Yep.
So we bought one with a little stand.
Absolutely. You can see the hills in the
Distance.
distance.
There's a dog walking area as well that we showed a
Yeah.
little bit on the vlog, but it's just down there.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
I say the bedroom.
Louis is exploring. You alright? So now onto the maze of doors.
Honestly.
Oh, there's a couple of stools there too.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you ready? You go in this door, and it's a beautiful bathroom with a massive shower,
Yep.
a big mirror, high me, sink. Then,
Spare
through
bedroom.
this door,
2 single beds.
there's a little vanity area.
What we won't be using. Just probably storage.
Yeah.
More cupboard space. So much stuff to put things.
And then you can go back out that door, or you can go through this door. I've locked Louis in there now. Come on.
And give that door before he just came out.
Yeah, that one goes back to the living area. But we will go this way. Thanks for showing us the way. To the double bedroom,
Yep.
which is so big and bright. Shows you the hot tub.
Got some more telly.
A small TV.
Yeah, a little vanity face. 2 cupboards. No, 3 cupboards.
Wow. And then
Loads of
another
drawers.
bathroom.
And a full-size bath, but Emma's very happy.
Yeah. So a
Yeah.
little ensuite there.
Not a bath. That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, so far, so
Well
good.
impressed,
Yeah. We'll just show you the outside of it as well.
And obviously got Wi-Fi and stuff as well. What's really good. yeah, so far we just literally turned up and walked around. I'm really impressed.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
So much places to put things.
Yeah, we need to unpack and all of that.
Another cupboard.
Oh yeah, with a hoover.
Yeah.
And then
Doors.
back through the corridor.
Back to your living space. Yeah, we'll do this for a week. I'm well happy.
So, we hope you enjoyed this lodge tour.
Absolutely.
If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next
Absolutely.
one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.